Good day, accounting buddies. Let's talk about the normal balance of an account. For the normal debit balance, we have assets, drawings, and expenses. While for normal credit balance, we have liabilities, capital, and revenue or income. Now let's go to the rules for debit or credit. The debit side shows the increase in assets, decrease in liabilities, decrease in owner's equity through drawings and/or expenses, while the credit side shows the decrease in assets, increase in liabilities, increase in owner's equity through initial and/or additional investment, and revenue or income. For more accounting videos, follow me at Facebook or subscribe at my YouTube channel, Makhar Accounting Buddy, your Filipino accounting buddy. Come, let's study.